Title: Microbes in the human body. Who is the real protagonist that rules your health? Bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa. Our body is a collection of numerous microorganisms known as the microbiome. What's amazing is that there are more microbes in our mouths than in the human body. It weighs about 1.323 kgs, which is about the size of a piece of beef. Besides, they possess genes hundreds of times more abundant than those in the human body, which could be daunting, but the perception has shifted. Today, we live in harmony with microbes. Those that safeguard our skin and facilitate digestion are not just influenced by Japanese microbes, they also impact our emotions, behaviors, and dietary choices. What causes these microbial shifts? Factors like diet, habits, cleanliness, stress, medication, and incremental changes play a role. Metallic microbes change the balance and also affect health. That's why we need human bacteria. Milk bacteria are 12 kinds of complex microorganisms derived from traditional fermented foods, which help bacteria beneficial to our bodies coexist harmoniously. Microbes are invisible, but they are always with us, and a healthy microbial environment soon becomes an invisible shield that protects a healthy life. Healthy fermented foods protect the health of you and our family. Beneficial bacteria of the human body